Adding a remote to your 2021 GMC Yukon Denali or XL is generally DIY friendly using the vehicle's system. First, ensure all doors are closed and the ignition is off. Insert your existing key into the ignition and turn it to the on-run position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times quickly. This activates programming mode, indicated by a horn chirp or flashing lights. Within 10 seconds of the last cycle, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the new remote simultaneously until the vehicle responds with a horn honk or similar confirmation. If you have additional remotes to program, repeat the button press step for each. Finally, exit programming mode by turning the ignition to the on-run position and starting the vehicle. This process synchronizes the new remote with the Yukon's immobilizer system. A compatible GM Smart Key is required, part number 135928081, and a fresh CR2032 battery in the remote can prevent issues. If programming fails initially, try cycling the ignition 10 times to clear all keys, then restart the programming sequence. Success rates for this method are typically around 70 to 80%. While DIY programming works for many, be aware of potential issues. Failed attempts are often due to weak batteries in existing keys or interference from other electronics. If you exceed the key learn limit from repeated failed attempts, dealer intervention may be needed for a BCM reset. Also, cheap aftermarket keys may have encryption compatibility issues, leading to failure. While over-the-air programming isn't available for 2021 Yukons, future models are trending towards app-based reprogramming. If problems persist, consider professional reprogramming to avoid voiding warranties or triggering anti-theft modes, which may require specialized tools like a Tech2 scanner. Remember, while DIY can save you $100 to $200 compared to dealer fees, ensure you follow official GM guides to minimize risks and ensure a successful outcome. Always remove the key from the ignition and keep the car off for at least 30 seconds before attempting to program again. It is also useful to avoid other keys or smartphones during the process, as they can cause interference. If you continue to have issues, it would be best to contact your local dealer for assistance.